Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Create Wealth, where we talk about Forex trading. How can we trade Forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, today's video is about JSH Gold Bot. JSH Gold Bot is a bot that we introduced in the month of January, and we tested it for a couple of months, and then we started trading to create videos from 24th of January. So today is 28th of April, so it's almost 3 months now. So let's start from here. This gold bot is specifically to trade on gold because it follows very well how the gold behaves in certain kind of market situations and the gold patterns. It works well on 30 minutes time frame, and it has an inbuilt time filter which acts as a news filter as well. Guys, remember, whenever we talk about time filter or any news filter or something, then it follows the timing of your broker. Okay, so that broker timing is very important. So let me just show you. So here, like, if you can see that the start time is 1900, so as soon as the broker time reaches 1900, it will start opening the trades, and it will stop taking the trades from 14 hours onward. Okay, so it will stop at 1400 hours, and it will not take any further trade after 14 hours, and at 1900 onwards it will start taking the trades again. So whatever the trades are there, they should have been closed by 1400 hours, and in case if not, then it should be closed between 1400 to 1900 hours, and even if not, then it will not take any further trade, and it will start taking the trades again from 1900 onwards when the US market settles down. So you need to match your broker timing along with the timing over here, right? So I have chosen 1900 as a start time when it's almost like 2 hours of US session has already been gone, and like 2 to 3 hours before and 2 to 3 hours after the US session starts. So you can play with the setting based on which country you belong to, and based on your country timing, like country and the broker timing, you just need to match the broker timing and see like when the US session starts, and you can play with the setting. You can stop your bot like 2 to 3 hours before the US session starts, and 3 to 4 hours after the US session starts, or maybe 2 hours before and 1 hour later, or like whatever. You can play with the setting. But yes, it is very important because at least we are not going to trade in those most volatile sessions when the US market has been started. We used to trade, and we would like to trade on the when the market used to settles down a bit. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so let's start it from here. We need at least 5000 US cents to start with. I'm talking for those people like who could not afford like 5000 US dollar or 10,000 US dollar. It works equally. No, I would not say equally, but it works on both, on standard account as well as cent account. But yes, that should be at least 5000 for 0.01 lot size. Since I am using 10,000 US cents, so I am using 0.02 lot size. In this, like, we set it to the maximum lot size at 0.08, so it will not take any lot size over and beyond 0.08 lot size, and that is very important, right? And you can see that this is not something that is going to martingale or maybe like increasing the lot size at per order or per step. Okay, neither it is a grid like where it is opening multiple trades at the same price, and neither it is using hedging. But yes, like, I would not say exact hedging, but yes, it used to take a reverse trade as well. Like, I mean, in couple of buy trades, if still the market is going on sell, then probably it will take some sell positions also, just to compensate or to take advantage of few of those moments and to make some extra money. Gold is very volatile. Again, I am saying 5000 doesn't mean that you can trade with 550 US dollar in a standard account. You need to convert it into cent account. 5000 has to be there, whether it is US dollar or either US cents. Since I'm trading with 10,000, so I'm using 0.02 lot size to start with, and I kept my maximum lot size at 0.08. Okay, so guys, market is very volatile, and gold itself is very like crazy. Like, sometimes it used to be very crazy, and many people, like I would say, like if 100 people used to trade gold, 90% of them lose their account very often. So that is the reason I'm suggesting a bit higher equity, not higher, like 5,000. I think like that should be the minimum. If you're trading with any expert advisor, if you're trading on your own, then you can trade with even 100 or 200 or $300. But if you are trading with an expert advisor, then you have very less control on that, right? So this is what I suggest, but it is not something that you need to, that I'm not forcing you to agree with me, but this is what is based on my observation. It is what something that I'm suggesting, at least for this bot. And there is another bot that I uploaded in my YouTube channel itself, that is AGS, that is Auto Gold Scalper, which is a little more aggressive than this. And since that is a scalper, so obviously multiple trades and maybe more profitability and a little more risk as well. So those who are looking for scalper in gold probably can look for AGS Auto Gold Scalper. For that I recommend minimum 10,000 US cents or 10,000 US dollar. That has to be 10,000 at least. Ideally, if you can make it 1,200 to 1,500, I mean 12,000 to 15,000, that is ideal. But yes, not below 10,000. Even after telling all this, like people used to trade with 1,000 US dollar or something, and they used to say that 1,000 is equivalent to, I mean, 100K. So I tell them very upfront, like you need to convert it into cent account, otherwise 1,000 is not going to sustain in Forex market, at least to trade gold. Right? Most of you, like who used to trade gold, do understand what kind of movement sometimes happens in gold, and gold prices as compared to any currency prices, there is a huge difference. I already provided the free trial of JSH and AGS earlier. I'm not going to provide any free trial now, but if you would like to see the AGS videos, probably there are 3 links in the video description, and the one link is the corresponding link of the video that is there, and you can find other videos of that particular expert advisors there. And there is a link where you can download the trading report, the trading history. Right now whatever I'm showing you is the trading history itself, account history, and that I used to create a report in front of you, and you can check all those reports or download the report to see how the trade has been taken, and even you can validate with the video as well, because this is something that I used to show in front of you, that this is from the same account that we have been trading from last 3 months with the same account, and this is what the real account history is. This is how the trading pattern and how the trades has been taken on all of this. These daily fees is something I think the Alperi used to charge when we keep our trades open for pretty long time. Last week, like a couple of weeks, like our trades has been stuck, and I think I have already discussed about this in the last video of last week, so I'm not going to explain that more. So our trades has been stuck for around a week or 10 days, so that is the reason those activity fees has been charged by Alperi. But I don't think like this used to happen with other brokers. So we need 2 digits after decimal in gold. Okay, like here we are using 2 digits. If you see, there are 2 digits. So we need only those brokers who have 2 digits after the decimal, and UTC2. I mean, most of the brokers follow UTC2 timing, this is Alperi, whether you are using FXTM, whether you are using I would say IC market, you are using FP market, you are using FBS, you are using Robo-Forex, you are using Traders Way. I mean, all of these brokers used to follow the same time, but yes, couple of brokers like EXNES has a different timing, and even they provide 3 decimal places after the decimal. So we don't require or need that kind of broker, at least for this one. Otherwise we need to change a lot in the settings, which I don't recommend. Okay, so this is what and let's see the running trades. There are a couple of running trades, if you can see right now, and well, most of the time it used to happen that there are a couple of like in case if there is a buy trade, the couple of buy trade, then there are used to be 1 or 2 sell trades also, but that depends on situation to situation. As you can see, the lot size has not been multiplied, and even the, I mean, if you can see, there are just 4 to 5 trades. So generally, like as I mentioned, like it used to have some different, but like in case of buy, like there are a couple of some sell trades also, but that depends on situation to situation. Okay, so if you want to see the account history, I think I have just created the trading report already just few minutes back. So let's go from here. It is the same thing that you can validate with the video as well. You can validate the figure, you can validate with the date. If you can just stop the video and can see like what are the numbers of that particular date, then you can match it from here. I mean, it is the same. I used to provide this trading report. Actually, I will just upload this in the my Google Drive, and there is a link in the video description. You can just click on that and can download the trading reports. And there is another link where if you want to see the videos of other expert advisors that I have uploaded in this channel, then you can click on that and can check and watch the videos of those other expert advisors as well, right? Because I cannot trade with all the expert advisors all the time. So, but definitely I always try to keep my experience with those expert advisors as long as possible. And sometimes I used to trade on my personal accounts and do not wish to show it on YouTube, because I used to use multiple expert advisors on one account sometimes. So that depends on situation to situation. So right now let's talk about JSH Gold Pot itself. This is what we made around 4059.17, that is approximately 13.5%, or you can say 13.33%. And this is what the profit factor is. This is the expected payoff, and this is what the drawdown is. Drawdown, like I think I mean, in the MT4 report it doesn't show the exact drawdown. I think the maximum negative floating was somewhere around 20% to 20 or 22%, I think, right? So I mean, I don't know like what the criteria of MT4, but yes, there is a slight difference. I think like the negative floating and the drawdown both are very similar, but those are not exactly the same. So these are talking about drawdown, and I'm talking about the negative floating. So that was approximately 20 to 22%, I think. I don't remember it exactly, but that is somewhere around that. So that is what is, and I don't think that is bad, because as per the moving market, like when something fluctuates from 100 points to 300 points or something like that, I mean, sometimes it used to go from, I mean, within a day it used to climb for around not 1000 pips, but I would say 800 pips or 900 pips also, right? And 300 to 500 pips is very normal, right? Sometimes it happens like 700, 800 or 900 pips also. So those kind of volatility or the fluctuation is very much expected in gold. That is the reason I asked to trade with 5000 US cents for 0.01 lot size, and at least should be 5000, whether USD or maybe US cents. So guys, in case if you're interested to trade with this expert advisor, you can contact me over email. My email address is there in the video description. Okay, and I would prefer to talk with you over Telegram, because that is very convenient for me. And but you can, but if you're not comfortable talking it over email or maybe over Telegram, then you can contact me by email or Telegram. These are the two mode of communication that I prefer. So you can contact me in case if you're interested. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family.